Okay, so most of the people will be confused because it looks the same, but if you closely closely and very carefully touch the end, you can feel a soft layer of clay, but do not disturb it because it's not settled. I am sorry, but I have to do the extraction of clay at morning, so let's meet at morning and let's start the extraction. So first remove this water. And this is clay. But there's a small problem where I extracted the mud from the mud has been now like sand and lost its nutrition, so please be careful. I'm sorry I didn't record the part, but just take a waste cloth, put it under the bucket and press it in the middle. Pour the clay and do not waste it. Put water in that bucket and wash it and pour that liquid also into the bucket, and like that it's now the water has to be completely dried up. So that's it. Now let it set. So I'm gonna set it at the balcony and let's meet at the balcony. Let it set now and we will meet at part 3. Sorry, but let's meet at part 3.